Hey everybody and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I made this garden style bridal bouquet for a recent wedding of mine. I'm using this incredible sweet pea from Japan and these queen ranunculus from Holland as my focal points. Just like any arrangement, I like to start by laying my greens and getting a general idea of the shape. Next, you want to place your largest blooms to help balance the piece. While placing flowers, I focus on making sure no blooms are on the same plane. This can make your bouquet feel flat, and we always want something dimensional and with movement. Then you want to add in some smaller blooms to contrast the larger blooms. In this bouquet, I'm using spray roses and lisianthus. Lastly, you want to drop in your luxe flowers. I like to place them last because they are the most beautiful and we want them to sit on top and really be seen from all angles. And to wrap it up, I placed all my finishing touches. I added dried florals and pearls from her mother-in-law's veil. This was such a nice personal touch for my bride. I absolutely love how this bouquet turned out and I could not wait to hand it off to her. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more floral videos. And if you guys have any videos you would like to see, feel free to comment.